Before you buy or invest in any property in Nigeria, you must first answer one critical question. Does this person actually have the legal right to sell? You cannot legally sell land in Nigeria unless you first prove that you legally own it. In simple terms, right of ownership is what gives you the right to sell, which further translates to the right to transfer title. So there are several ways ownership can be established in Nigeria, and I have about 10 of these ways. But in this video, we'll be zooming our attention on 5 ways ownership can be established in Nigeria. So this is one video you need to watch to the very end, because the content and the information I'll be sharing in this video can literally save you millions of naira. Also ensure you like, drop a comment, subscribe, and share this video to people within your network, because on this channel we do not just bring you the very best real estate investment opportunities, we also educate you on how you can safely and rightly invest using facts and data in the city of Abuja. My name is Iyayi Aibuedefe. I'm the shortest distance between you and the right real estate investment here in the city of Abuja. I help my clients build sure and sustainable wealth that is transgenerational. So the first way land ownership can be established is through customary ownership. Before the Land Use Act of 1978, communities and families owned land under customary law. If your ancestors were the first to clear, settle on, or cultivate a piece of land, and nobody challenged that for decades, they automatically became the owners of that land under the customary law. And this land can be sold, gifted, or inherited even without any formal purchase. The second way land ownership can be established is ownership by inheritance. When a landowner dies, the land can legally pass to their children or family. And in this case, the laws governing the inheritance vary by location. And in some clients, one may be requested to perform special rite or ceremony before the inheritance can be confirmed or recognized by those people within that community. And this is the more reason why Nigeria real estate law is highly jurisdictional. What this simply means is that what applies to one region like Benin City may not necessarily apply to another region like Sokoto. The third way ownership can be established in Nigeria is by government allocation. Under the Land Use Act of 1978, all land in Nigeria technically belongs to the government, held in trust for the people. The government can therefore directly allocate land to individuals, companies, or entities, and this they can do through the customary right of occupancy in the case of rural land given by the local government, or the statutory right of occupancy in the case of urban land given by the state or federal government. And it is worthy for me to point out that this is among the safest titles of land you can ever come across. And the fourth way ownership can be established is through purchase. This is the most common way of ownership. And in this case, you pay money and you are being given land in return. And the legal document formally transfer interest, title, and ownership from the seller to the buyer. This document could be deed of assignment, deed of transfer, or deed of conveyance. And finally, the fifth way ownership can be established in Nigeria is through gift, where one person gives another person land and there is technically no exchange of money between both of them. And in this case, a deed of gift is needed to formally transfer interest, title, and ownership from the donor to the recipient. So when someone gives you a land while you are caught in deep appreciation for the land you have received from the person, ensure you request a deed of gift from the person to formally recognize that title, interest, and ownership has been transferred from the person to you. All of these are some of the ways ownership can be established in Nigeria. So the next time you want to buy a property from anybody, ensure that the person has the right to sell to you in the first place. If not, that land does not legally belong to you before the law. Once again, my name is Iyayi I Buedefe. I'm the shortest distance between you and the right real estate investment here in the city of Abuja. I help my clients build sure and sustainable wealth that is transgenerational. So if you are yet to like, drop a comment, subscribe, and share this video to people within your network, this is the best time for you to do that, because you do not know the person that you will likely save from making a costly mistake by simply sharing this video to them. Until I come your way in our next video, see you on the other side of it. Bye for now.